Hello, my name is Kaylee Breen, and I'm here today to apply for the position of Director of Community Service for Davidson County. Throughout this brief PowerPoint, I will outline my qualifications, my mission for this position, 3 goals I have, and objectives to complete each one. I will also talk about my leadership style. I possess many strengths that make me an excellent candidate for this position. My work experience, as well as my leadership skills, will enable me to be successful as Director of Community Services. I am a highly organized, efficient individual. My time management skills and prioritization of needs have been highly polished throughout my experience as a nurse. I love interacting with the community as it is one of my biggest passions. I plan to use my expertise of cultivating therapeutic relationships to bridge the gap between public knowledge of health prevention and promotion. My primary work experience comes from 5+ years in healthcare, specifically working with the aging and elderly population. I have been a CNA, an LPN, and also an RN, allowing me to truly understand various roles in the healthcare team. Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor's of Science in Nursing from the University of Tennessee. This will further cultivate my managerial skills. I am also active in my community, volunteering with Meals on Wheels and the Nashville Zoo. My mission for this position is to use my influence to partner with local organizations in the community to promote health awareness, prevention, and maintenance through opening the lines of communication between healthcare providers and people in the community. My vision is that the underserved people living in the Nashville area, such as those from low socioeconomic status, ethnic minorities, and the elderly, will have a better understanding of personal health and well-being and be able to identify resources to help them achieve this. My first goal is to provide a series of health education classes at various community centers in Davidson County. They will highlight how to identify signs and symptoms of prominent health issues such as diabetes, hypertension, hyperlipidemia, dementia, and STDs, just to name a few. Enlisting the help of medical personnel in a volunteer capacity to teach these classes would be one way I would attain this goal. People attending the classes would also receive pamphlets and handouts after each class to help enforce the teaching they learned. I would also provide postings around the community in doctors' offices, clinics, hospitals, the newspaper, and our website to identify where and when classes will take place. If need be, I will also have members of my staff get out into the community going door to door just to ensure that people know this is a free resource for them to utilize. My second goal will be to provide a biannual health fair at the Nashville Zoo to promote health assessment and prevention. I think this would be a really neat place to hold a health fair. It would draw people in by being at a unique location. They could participate in the health booths as well as, see the animals and all the beautiful grounds of the zoo. We would have booths set up to check blood pressure, blood glucose, measure carotid artery flow, measure cognitive function, and even have tents set up where we can do private breast exams. There would be stations where people could have one-on-one time with various members of the healthcare team to ask questions or voice concerns, and then also be connected with the health resources that are available to them before they leave. We would have also a yearly fun run downtown. Participants would pay a small entry fee that would go towards sponsoring the biannual health fair. At the run, participants would be educated on the importance of hydration and physical exercise. This would be a good way to get the community moving, literally. My third goal would be to purchase land for the development of a community garden to promote outdoor activity, healthy food options, and self-empowerment. We would partner with local co-ops to obtain seeds for planting various fruits and vegetables, as well as provide the needed tools and equipment. Anyone in the community would be able to utilize this space to cultivate their understanding of healthy eating options. We would also promote participation of the maintenance of the garden by having local students get involved and potentially being offered community service hours as incentives. I really love this goal because it's a unique way to get people learning about healthy nutrition. It's also a way to cultivate interconnectedness within the community and also within individual families by making it a family event. My leadership style would be a mix of emotional intelligence, authentic leadership, quantum leadership, and cultural bridging. I would strive to find a balance between industrial age leadership and relationship age leadership. I would lead by example, implementing evidence-based practices, promoting creativity and individualism, and always have an open door policy. Thank you for your time in applying for the Director of Community Services position. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.